Hello guys, I'm Tiago Gomes, the creator of Hellphior games, and today I'm going to show you the brand new game I'm working on and the game ideas, what I want to this project and why I'm doing this game and not other ones. So I'm already here on Unity, and first I'm gonna explain you why I'm creating this game, what is this game about, what I'm trying to do here, and then I show you a little more about what I've done so far. So first of all, I'm a real fan and I'm a player of water polo. It's a sport well known in some countries, not in Portugal for example, but like Hungary, Croatia. It's a very famous sport, and what I'm trying to do is basically a head soccer game, but for water polo, so a head water polo game. And the idea is to give all the fans around the world of water polo a real game, because we don't have games. A Brazilian guy tried to create a game like FIFA, but for water polo, but he disappeared. He couldn't do that alone, and there was no people to help him. So I thought he quit. So he's not working on that anymore. I didn't try to reach him because I'm not that that good for now to help him doing a big game like that. So what I'm doing is creating this simple game. The idea is to have um, like um, like 3 or 4 modes, like a championship mode, a mode where you can play with your friends against your friends, and one like campaign. Like you choose a club and you try to win against all of them. And right now what I'm doing is just creating the very first scene, and I'm literally trying to have a bot to play against and a good player, like good shooting, good jump, everything good. And of course, for now, this is the first week I'm working on. The second, but it's almost the first week I'm working on, so it's a little bit difficult to have a lot of things. So what we've created now, I tried to create a menu because I'm looking always to videos and tutorials to help me, and so I quit the menu. We don't have a good menu for now. We just have this scene game where we have, of course, 2 goals, and we have a button to go to the left, one button to go to the right, one to shoot and one to jump. Simple. And this is we have here the score. This is the time, and of course we are going to have the club emblem here and here, and the names, the respective names, and the button to pause. Of course we are going to have that too. And we have the ball and the 2 players. And now what I have, and I can show you here, this canvas is all we have here. So the score, the buttons, so button left, button right, button shoot, button jump, score, and the button pause, of course. We have a simple camera. This is the default camera. I haven't changed it at all, even system, because we have a canvas. And inside Stadium, we have the 2 goals with some colliders. So I'm not working at all on that, because we don't have for now the score working and the goals working. I'm just trying to mess around with the play movement and the AI, so the bot movement, and try to be a better bot, like if it was a good player. And it's not working fine so far. I'm trying to work on that. So you will see, I will show you. So we have the goal on the right. We have this collider, so the ball doesn't stuck here. So the ball, when the ball goes here, is gonna go back to the field. We have the same goals. We have a ground. There's where we can move, and of course we have whole walls in all the field, the stadium. The environment, we have the player. This is the player that we are using. This is the AI player, so the bot player. We have the ball, and we have defense. This is something specific that the I can explain you, but I don't think it's necessary for now. Basically, this defense point is what it's the point that makes the player see if he needs to go in front to shoot the ball. The player, no, the bot, to go in front to shoot the ball or jump, etc. So inside the player and the bot, we have the check ground to know when is on the ground or not. Of course, this is simple. And we have the head. And I want to create a body to each player. So we are going to have water, because water polo is on is in a pool. So we are going to have, of course, water in here. And I want the body to be like a usual play of water polo. A game of water polo. We are going to have like half body inside the water and half outside the water, so we are going to be able to see a little of the body. And I want to I made, of course this is not the final project, and this images I just created by drawing, looking to a real player. Okay, so this is a Spanish player. And I created arms. So I designed arms too. And my idea is to have like the ball goes there, and we can shoot with the ball in the hand. But I don't know what I'm doing, because maybe it's easier to use just the head. It's head water polo, so I think it's a good concept. So I'm not using probably anymore the arm. And it's probably something more difficult to do. So basically, we are going to have bodies in the players, and the caps. Of course, we are going to have caps, specific caps from specific teams, etc. I'm gonna try to reach every team to know if I can use the clubs, emblems, the names of the players. And I'm gonna choose only one of the players of each team. I'm gonna try to reach teams from different countries. Of course, Portugal is gonna be in. And the idea it's just this. I'm gonna try to do something to punch the player, like underwater, I don't know, maybe some powers, I don't know. But for now, this is what I've done so far, and I'm gonna play here just to show you how this is fucked up and not working as I want and as I wish. So we have no music, no nothing. We just have the 2 goals and the. So the bot is the one on the left, and the player is the one on the right. Right now you can't use these buttons because in the script, to be easier to use in the computer, I had this line, so I can use the arrows and the A and D to move the player, and then press here to shoot and press here to jump. It's easier to move the player like this. So we can jump and we can shoot the ball, as you can see. You can see too that when the ball is close to the bot, it's gonna shoot, but it's not moving like we want. And of course we are behind the goal because I need to make some changes here. Just ignore that. When I shoot over his head, it's not moving properly and it's not doing what I want. It's going against me, and that's not the objective. He needs to jump, and I haven't done that yet. But what we want is him to jump backwards and go backwards when I shoot, so we can try to defend more and is really not working fine, but is definitely better than when I created the first bot. So I'm happy to see that is working a little bit. Some final ideas here. The idea is basically to create like a head soccer game, but of water polo, and to give the fans finally a game to play, because we don't have any water polo games to play. I think we have some experiences, but not a real game of water polo. So I'm trying to give all the players, coaches, etc. This game of maybe, I don't know, maybe it's gonna be 2 heroes, 3 heroes. It depends on how it's gonna work. But the idea is to give this game to Apple and Google Play, etc. only to mobile, I think. For now, I think it's that. Maybe to some consoles and PC, but this is a very simple game. So I just want to give an idea of a water polo game, and I hope everyone enjoy, and everyone that loves water polo enjoy. And this is the beginning of a new game. Probably it's gonna be a work of 1 year, I don't know. Thank you guys to be Patreons. Of course, your name is gonna be displayed on the game because you are helping me a lot to work on this. And next Sunday, I will see you guys again with more info about the game, and hopefully we're with more updates, and maybe we already can play against a bot. So see you guys there, and thank you a lot.